Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you the thermostat at my house, and I'm going to be starting up the Goodman gas furnace for the 2023-2024 heating season. See, it's set to 67, it's 68 in here, so I'll turn it up a couple of degrees. There it goes. So here's one of the registers. These are not original to the house. These are what the previous renters had. I'll show you the original ones here in a second. But this is the door to get in the furnace. It's kind of blocked off. Stuff out of the way. There's not a light in there, but there's the furnace. Go to the register in my room. Blocked off, but the Christmas tree skirt and everything. But that's what it used to look like in the laundry room. But yeah, that's about it. I guess I'll show you the registers in the kitchen because they are new. Hear my dog running around. But yeah, that's what they look like. That blurry. Air is nice and warm. This will go take a look at the Goodman air conditioner just for the heck of it. So both the air conditioner and the furnace are original to the house. Disconnect box and everything. 2011 310 Goodman GSX13 straight cool air conditioner. It hasn't ran since the 10th of November of this year, and I'm pretty sure that's going to be its final startup of the year. It's getting colder outside, as you all know, but yeah, it's only 47 degrees outside. It's not too terrible, but definitely we're not going to be running the air conditioner in this weather, obviously. It's been raining too, so that does make things end up really bad. I don't dare to run that thing under 60 degrees. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Over and out.